Alright, so we made it to another park. And we about to go fly Keith's drone. Drone?
Gotta get it in.
Drone?
Yep, drone.
Drone with the N?
Yep.
Drone.
Yeah, about to get it in.
We about to see what it do. Alright, we'll be back. Boom. Yep. It's a hill. It's a hill.
Yeah.
It's up there. I can't even see it. Can you see it?
Yeah,
Bring it back. Oh.
Alright, so wherever you pointing, where you pointing at, this way you pointing at, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna point straight. So this down, come back. Forward, go forward. This right here, you turn. See I'm turning all the way around?
Mm-hmm.
And then turn all the way around. Alright, so now I'm facing that way. So go up, they go up in there. And go down, go down. And when you get halfway, when you want to get there, you click off.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then it cut off. When you start it back up, you just press it.
The lock button.
Yeah. And hit that right there. And then you just go back up. Wherever the camera facing, that's where you're going at. Cause the camera, you see the camera, the gray, that's the camera. So I'm coming towards us now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's the way you head. Where that camera facing? Well, I had my phone hooked there. Usually I was gonna record everything we're doing. I can record this. Walking while we walk, I can record it. And I got it far away, it can follow me. You know. It can hover us the whole time we walk without me touching the control.
So it's not recording right now?
Cause I got my phone hooked up to it. I took the GPS off and I'm recording it myself. I'm driving it myself. But yeah, it go high. It go real high. Okay, so point the camera up, down, point it up, let me show us. You can see the wheat.
don't see it. Oh, wait. Oh.
Let me see it.
It's like a... Oh, they might can see it.
Yeah,
oh, yeah.
There you go.
You gonna record?
Well, yo, this shit hard as hell. It's showing all the cars and all that.
Wait, face this way. Maybe the sun. It's still a glare.
Oh, shit.
What?
I'm not gonna get out of there.
Like a kid. He enjoy his drone. Drone? Drone? Drone. That's dope. I like it. It has a light on it.
There you go.
What?
I got back out of it.
Now you just find it. I can hardly see it. It's there. I wish.